Hey everybody, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here with Nick from Oakley to do a new video series called Order of the Week.
Yeah, pretty cool. We were coming in this morning to shoot a few other product review videos, and we were walking through the quality control area here at SportRx, and this thing just caught my eye.
Well, I haven't seen it yet. You're gonna get my initial response. So the idea with this video is like once a week or so, if there's a really cool product, a combination, something we think is really rad that's kind of coming through our doors, going out to a hopefully very happy customer, we're gonna try and feature it and just kind of talk about it and see what's tickling our fancies here.
Super cool.
Since we get to see so many glasses. So
I love it.
Unboxing time. I mean, you told me a little bit about it.
Well, so it's a Radar EV Path with an embedded prescription in it. We can't talk about the patient, obviously, but the frame color is really what caught me.
Wow.
Yeah, so this is part of our Splatter collection. It's a matte navy frame with a gold, white, and black splatter paint application to it.
You had me at gold.
This thing is sweet.
Dude, that is just radical. So if you know the embedded lens technology, well, I'm gonna tell you about it. So this is, when you're getting a shield lens from Oakley, the only way to get it in prescription is you gotta have these two embedded lenses put it. So whenever you have like a shield, there's no way to RX it because it's one shield, you have two prescriptions, two focal points. Some companies make like a little adapter thing that goes behind it. Some companies, what they basically do is cut holes here and then embed prescription lenses as if the rest of the shield is like the frame, if you're still with me. And it ends up kind of looking like this, which I think is really high tech and futuristic looking. Some people don't love the aesthetics. I don't think it would be great for like hanging out on the beach per se, but for sport, it's kind of like cool.
Well, where optics are key, and obviously the most important thing to us at Oakley, having something where you can really get your prescription dialed in and get the coverage of a shield lens. Yeah. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, this is just, it's not my prescription, but that frame is just.
Frame color is just next level. Yeah.
So that is black iridium on a embedded lens. So that's the order of the week. That's it right there. If you want to inquire about getting something like this, you can always call SportRx.com. We have opticians that know a lot about this stuff, or you can email info@sportrx.com or put a comment down there. If you like this kind of format, let us know too. This is new for us. We're trying something.
First time.
Yeah. First time.
Frame color is
Who better than with Nick to do it with?
Well, yeah. That's what most people say.
Yeah.
Splatter Poseidon is the frame color in our Splatter Metallic collection. Other frames available in this collection too, so if Radar isn't your thing, Frog Skin Light, there are a ton of them.
The splatter.
The splatter.
It's all about the splatter.
Awesome.